Welcome to Long Beach, home to the Queen Mary. Please start by setting up a persistent anchor.
So I take out my iPhone and I set up an anchor where I am in Long Beach. Now I'll take an image of this and let the artificial intelligence bring up portals for me. And we see some matches on that Bonanza.
The Avionics Bonanza A36 is a single-engine, 6-seat, low-wing, retractable gear aircraft. 6-pack instrument panel, which includes 6 primary flight instruments arranged in 2 rows of 3. Here is a video related to Avionics Bonanza A36. Here are some of the main components: engine, max cruise speed, 200 knots, range, 1000 nanometers, service ceiling, 20,000 feet empty weight. The max speed for the Bonanza 836 is 300 knots and the max range is 1,890 nautical miles. The takeoff speed for the Bonanza 36 is 80 knots. The service ceiling of the Avionics Bonanza A36 refers to the maximum altitude at which the aircraft can operate safely and efficiently.
Now we go down the runway for takeoff. You notice the AI Assistant is still operating while I try to hold it steady as we do our takeoff from Long Beach Airport. And here we are on a beautiful day in Southern California, and then returning to the Long Beach Airport and a beautiful landing again with the AI Assistant. And now we're back at the Maintenance Hangar.
Welcome to Long Beach, home to the Queen Mary, a historic ocean liner turned hotel and museum. Please start by setting up a persistent anchor.
So I place this anchor using my phone in the hangar in Long Beach, California. And now I snap a photo to remember where that geospatial tag is located.
Let's add a real-world annotation. This will be one of the topics of this experience.
I chose image recognition so that I can let the AI find the portals for me.
The 2017 Snorkel S3219E in TX is a 19 feet electric scissor lift with a working height of 25 feet and a platform capacity of 500 pounds. The used 2017 Snorkel S3219E in TX has a maximum platform height of 19 feet and a lift capacity of 550 pounds.
Now the AI brings up the top elements, which is an additional 30 portals about this piece of equipment.
Here are some of the main components: working height, 25 feet platform capacity, 500 pounds platform size, 2.5 feet by 6 feet drive speed, 3.5 miles per hour. Gradability, 25%. Power source, electric. Weight, 3,400 pounds. Tire type, non-marking. Turning radius,